Yeah, they hate when you elevate. They stacking up losses, I'm handing them out, yeah, I had to go delegate. It feel like I'm floating, I'm lost in the moment, I swear I could levitate. They never believed that I would really fly, I had to go demonstrate. I had to set them straight. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. Yeah, they hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. They hate when you elevate, yeah. I had to elevate. I'm way too fly, yeah, I'm feeling myself. Ain't no chance I'm coming down, no. Got a soul view to myself, yeah. Why would I give it up? Why do they wanna come take my place? I work too hard. Trapped in the basement, now the hard work is all taking me places. Water no blood like we trapped in the matrix. Bet on myself and go ball out in Vegas. Living a life like I'm rich and I'm famous. Don't see the grind that I know that it came with. Oh.
– 876 Streets is powered by
Massive Auto Parts. Quality parts and cars at unbeatable prices.
Swift Team Services. Your freight, our priority.
Jeffrey Constructions Limited. It's all in the name.
We are here with Mr. John Steele, the driver of the pretty fast blue Civic EG that you guys saw today with that close call. I mean, John, it's great to see you in one piece after such a scary encounter. But before we get into, that, how's the year?
I mean, good so far.
Yeah.
Enjoying ourselves.
Cool.
I mean, that's what we have the car for.
Cool.
Just having fun. This is my sport. This is my enjoyment.
Yeah.
That's why I relax.
Yeah. I mean, that close encounter today. You are okay.
Yes. I'm fine.
Right.
I'm fine.
Vijay is okay.
As far as I know, he has some bruise and
okay.
hurts.
Okay.
Ribs, etc.
Okay.
Chest area.
Nothing life threatening.
But yes, nothing major. As far as I know, I spoke to him.
Okay.
As well right after the accident.
Great. And I myself, I'm going to try to, get an update from him. But I mean, it's motor racing as I was talking to you earlier, and I just want to use this medium to encourage people to race at the track.
Correct.
And take safety as a priority, because had it not been for the cage,
been a lot worse.
It would have been. The car, will it be back for 2025?
As in Vijay's car, man.
Your car.
Well, I was hoping to drive my car home tonight.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I drive my car to and from the track. It's a car that's licensed and I drive it every day.
Well, that's awesome news. So it was nothing too major on your part?
Mostly cosmetic. The challenge is that I damaged a radiator. That's a major thing. Why
okay.
I'm not driving it back home.
Okay.
That's a major thing.
Okay.
I came out of the incident in a far better position than Vijay.
Right. And as I said, you know, it's motor racing, and we're here, we live to fight another day.
Correct.
You know, and definitely, as I said, we're looking forward to seeing 2025.
We'll go back.
Definitely. Yeah. Any major? You're gonna do anything major? Any upgrades? Any major upgrades? Or
no. I mean, I'm what you call a budget racer. So my car is pretty much a stock engine.
Yeah.
I race on pump gas.
Yeah.
So I mean, that's it.
Come and have some fun.
Just come and have some fun. Motor racing is not as expensive as a lot of people make it out to be. But because you have different classes, that can fit your budget. Correct. And the thing is, once you get the speed out of your system, when you go back on the public roads, you know, you tend to, alright, I got it out of my system again.
True.
You know, take my time and drive.
True.
And be within the government speed limits.
There you go. Alright, John, as I said, we'll definitely touch base and do a follow-up leading into 2025. All the best.
Yeah, man, I just want to take the opportunity to pick up my sponsors, Cravings Cakes and Catering, Banks Tuning, and Talman. You know, they're the ones that really, you know, put the car together and stuff like that, and have given me a reliable car from maybe 2018.
Yeah.
I haven't had that issue with it.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Alright. All the best. Alright, Josh. Big up. Yeah, man. Just giving you guys an update on, you know, the accident. So I went to the hospital and I got my x-rays done and my CT scans done, and everything looks good so far. I really appreciate the overwhelming support that I received, you know, after the accident up until now. I'm still in a bit of pain, but we have the medication prescribed and we're just resting for now. I have to give God thanks again, because even though we have those safety equipment in the car, you know, it could have definitely gone worse. But you know, the roll cage did its job, the bucket seat did its job, the harness did its job, the helmet did its job. That, you know, I came out, you know, just a little bruised up, but you know, no broken bones or anything like that. I give thanks for that. I have to big up my sponsors, Vault Motors, Bowla's Garage, Bowla's Car Rental, and I have to big up 876 Streets every time. Keep safe, blessed. Lamar, you have your fans all over the world wondering if you are okay. So I'll let you be the one to tell them. Are you okay?
I'm good, man.
You're good?
I'm good.
Boy, talk us through that scary, very scary incident today.
No, it look like it turned habit now, I guess so. It's second time, but you know, I mean, we just start how the day start off.
Yeah.
So at the beginning of the day, we damaged the truck body in a warm up. We change it, and what happened is that it's stuck at 100%.
Oh, okay.
Lock it off. What happened now is that we end up even piece of it fly in our engine and we end up taking it. So when we see we come back out now for the first race, start back on the back of back.
Yeah.
And we put on back a truck body. And when we look now, I go through the first race. You know,
yeah,
it did stop because
because I think one of the races you're around Carib Cement there, yeah.
And then guess what now? When I look now, I say, alright, cool.
Yeah.
Chocolate body again. So last race now is alright. We had the last chocolate body at Spear.
Right.
And I tell you, so we'll go out there. I say, well, work your car, work your car.
See that.
Work your car. And guess what now? Right at the end of the stretch, the car, the gas pedal stick again. And you know a cable. So, you know, you flick your pedal 2 times.
Yeah.
You flick your pedal 2 times, ready for go around the corner, and the car go full. You see
rev.
The car go full rev and come back down. And I lock off it and I get back the pedal and I start back car. So I start back car up on the stretch.
Yeah.
It stick again. I'm pulling hold it off by Chok.
Whoa.
You know, that's the thing. But why? We thank God. Cause it could have worse.
Could be worse. Trust me.
It could have worse.
Trust me. You know. It's racing, and we live to fight another day.
Another day. That's it. I was gonna come back out, but we realized we don't no more chocolate body, so that's how it go. We broke up 2. Yeah. One damage, third one damage, but so you go.
Boy, what is in the making for Team A1 2025?
4 cars.
Oh my God! Wow!
So it's not like me I get a car for drive, so come. I know Jody.
A 4 car and is an additional driver.
So the new driver is who? Me? What? Are you know the
We're going to leave the suspension.
Alright.
People are going to know when the whole marketing for start for Dover.
No, the marketing start no.
Alright, you see that car there?
Yeah.
The car did out here and get trouble already.
Alright.
I guess I know.
I think we know who we attack.
It did a cut throat.
Alright, say no more. I think we know.
Alright. Well, bring it back. That's also guess I know. Yes, we conquer IP3 this year.
Yes.
I don't know my points go just yet.
Yes.
But I think we conquer MP3.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
But the boss, Sara Larmond,
yeah.
IP2. The next one should be MP2. So
say no more. So hold on. You say MP2 that car going?
MP2.
Jesus, please.
I you know say sponsor them up. They're behind me. You understand? We have Mobile 1, we have A1, and we have B1. So the cars are coming out.
Lamar, it looks like we have to schedule a part 2 for this interview because you have to go a little bit closer. You have to go make you know.
Sauce, alright.
You have to make
sauce. I probably just bring it back and give you sauce. You understand?
That is it.
Alright, bro.
Boy, good to see you. Yes, you did. You did, and we look forward to more of this kind of vibe for 2025.
Right, good energy.
Always.
Big up 876 every time.
Every time, bro. One love. See it?
No love, bro.
All right, Lamar. Cool.
Sebastian will have to turn around. What he needs to do to get his evolution crown.
Massi, boy, what a day. Tell me about it.
We did some upgrade. Well, you know the turbo got mashed up last time.
The last time.
We bought a new turbo.
But you know what, let me just kind of interject. I must say I was very elated when I came here on Saturday and saw the Evo instead of the Civic, because for some reason I really love this car, bro. No doubt, like trust me, I love it.
It's fun to drive, trust me, it's way more fun than the Civic, definitely. But yeah, I mean, it took a lot to get ready to come to this meet.
Yeah?
I mean, long hours and financial, a lot of money, financial.
Yeah.
But it was worth it. We had
it pay off.
I mean, we still have teething pains.
Yeah.
We sorted out the turbo. That is good now.
Great.
We did some tweaks to the suspension, which is working.
Okay.
So we still have a little bit more to look at the car bouncing around a little bit.
Yeah.
The biggest problem right now is brakes. After 3-4 laps, the brakes fall off and have to back off. After using the hydraulic handbrake to kind of slow down.
Okay.
We got Swiftly and Massias, the 2 of them, then spare disc pads. Same problem keep occurring. So have to go back to the drawing board.
With the braking.
The car We did finish 2 races. The third race, the power steering hose touched the power steering fully and chopped, so all the fluid came out. So I came in.
Oh, okay.
So that is just a hose that needs to change.
Right.
That's minor.
Right. Well, for 2025, what is in the pipeline? What can your fans expect?
So when we came last time to Showdown, we did like a 130. The little tweaks that we've done, we're down to 126.
Nice.
So 3 or 4 seconds. We still want to go further.
Yeah.
I think with the brakes and tweaking the suspension, we'll do a little bit of time. So it has potential.
Okay.
But take cash to care. So
true.
Some sponsorship hard.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, man.
It's potential.
I'm definitely hoping. All right, so cars packing up in the background, but yeah, definitely hoping that for 2025 race season we can see some sponsors, all over this car, and I mean podium finishes. This car is definitely, not short of history and background. If you know, you know. It's iconic. Right. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. But
I mean, like I said, it have a lot of potential in it.
Yeah.
The car is heavy.
Yeah.
The slab on the stop doors and stuff.
Okay.
Put them out.
Okay.
But still have a lot more can be done.
All right. So
broke off, so we have no downforce at the back.
Right.
It was a good first meet.
Yeah. Good shakedown for 2025.
And I mean, it podium twice.
Nice.
So,
nice. All right. Well, definitely. And before we go, which class you participated in?
Well, we wanted to run IP3 and then run the last MP race.
Right.
But because of time, they amalgamated everything and ran it together. So
right.
we were able to do that.
Okay.
If the car can go faster, we can talk about going to MP4. I remember we're on DOT tires, we're not on slicks or anything.
Right.
Putting on slicks, the car will drop a few seconds.
Definitely. All right. We'll see. All right. Bossy, thanks again. I know you're packing up.
Yeah.
I won't hold you. Yeah, man, because I know you have the journey and stuff, but we'll definitely do a part 2.
All right.
Yeah, man. Respect, Bossy. All right, so we are here with Mr. Andrew Massias, the driver of the purple. What you call it the last time? The purple machine. The purple machine. All right, most of you might know, right? This pretty fast Evolution 10, right? Now, for the start of this weekend, I know that you entered the weekend with some challenges. You mind telling us about the weekend?
Yeah, we did. We sure did. The truth is that we came into the weekend really prepared.
Okay.
We actually were very prepared, and in fact, we were here on Friday, and we left here feeling really good. Friday, and then Saturday morning we came in just to do some tweaking, and we ran off the track. We had a problem with our braking system. We lost. Our brake fluid was boiling, and we had to change it apparently in some time. So apparently the brake fluid would boil.
Okay.
So that caused us to not have brakes on that front stretch. And of course, I pushed my foot down, and you don't get nothing.
Bored.
And it gets a little bit of softness, and it starts slowing down but not stopping. And so we went into some room, and the car fortunately didn't get too badly damaged.
Yes.
But we were no longer ready.
Okay.
It was
a little bit of setback.
It was Saturday night up until 3 a.m. last night.
What?
And our team came through big time.
Yes.
The body guy, the mechanic, Collis and Larry, great guys. They worked the whole night, and they patched the car back. They fixed we damaged our oil cooler.
Wow.
We sent to Kingston, had it repaired, came back, a whole bunch of stuff. But in the end, the car actually did really well today. We were very pleased with the performance of the car, and we still have a lot more to do with the car, but we're a lot closer to being ready for next year than we were before. And so
I mean that's my next question. Like, what's in the pipeline for 2025?
Right now, it's hard to say. We'd like to win the IP3 class. I thought that we were ready to really compete this year, but we had some entrants that came from the MP4 cars and came back.
Who stepped down?
Stepped back into our class, and then we obviously were not ready to step up at that time. And when we did, we had a lot of transitionary issues with the car. So it was really a transitionary period for the car.
Got you.
Rebuilding year, and but you know, we ended it well.
Yes.
And I think the car performed well today, and so we'll be ready for next year. We'd like to win the IP3 class, and then go to the MP class after.
There you go.
But you know, we can only think one day at a time right now, and just focus on how we're going to do that.
One goal at a time.
Right. Exactly.
There you go.
And what we have to do to win it. You know?
So
that's what's on our mind at the moment. We're just happy that the car ran well, and days come to an end, and here we are, you know.
All right, well, Andrew, I know you're packing up and stuff. I won't hold you much longer, but we're looking forward to see you in 2025, and all the best. Big up Island Net.
Big up Island.
Thank you for providing. Yeah. Thank you for providing internet for us today. I mean, always, guys. Trust me, if you need your internet,
in business.
We support who support us. Here you go, Island Net. Check them out.
Thank you.
Big up, Andrew. One love.
Come on.
Team A1.
One Mobile One.
Jody Gibson, the driver of the A1 Evolution 7? 8.
Yes.
I mean, that last race was strictly a crowd. I mean, the crowd loved it. Tell us how was the weekend?
What can I say? The weekend was great. That last race, I was planning on it if the car held up for the day. However, the car did hold up, and they decided to put everybody in the same group. They said we should start behind MP, so we should give them a pace coming up the S's.
Okay,
so it's like good, we start in an IP race. Yeah,
because I really want, now that you mention it, I really saw that.
Right,
yeah, okay.
Us and MP.
Okay.
I decided, well, let us just have some fun.
Have some fun.
And I drove, and the car surprised me, to be honest with you. Because when I came up at the hairpin with Chok, we were discussing it.
Yeah?
The car made a leap, and I was heading straight to his back.
Ooh.
So I was to squeeze beside him.
Yeah.
And then the car fell off the boost.
Whoa.
So I guess you live and you learn.
Yeah.
I was still in second, and the car, for the life, it wouldn't go back on boost.
Wow.
So it's until I came all the way back around the S's and gear back down again, the car pick up at the boost.
But I tell you, that run to the finishing line.
Yeah.
You and Tommy.
I was looking for him. Looking for him. He's a great competitor, you know. He's a respectable driver.
Yes.
I was looking for him.
I know the crowd enjoyed it, and definitely for 2025, I can't wait to see the battle of the Evolutions.
Because I'm gonna put a little more sauce in it.
Yeah, all right. I like that.
So we're planning on coming back out next year still.
Yeah.
You know, what we want to do is bring back the love for Dover.
Definitely.
And fair competition, clean competition, that's what we're looking for, you know, for spectators to come out and just have some fun.
Definitely.
You know, so we're looking forward to next year.
All right.
Great things in the pipeline.
All right. I spoke to Lamar earlier, I told him to keep me posted. So I'm going to say to you the same, keep me in the loop. Let me know what's going on.
We will, man. We definitely will. And you know, 876 Street is always represented.
Always.
A1.
Always.
One Mobile 1, one A1.
All right, bro.
Thanks so much, yeah?
Whoa. Now, where are these from today?
These are from today.
From today? All right, so in case...
Get a roll of that beating today.
Whoa. I mean, what is... Next side too?
That just happened in this race.
Wow.
First race, to have the world bumper.
All right, so we are here with Daniel, Chok. Kevin, his brother over there, Daniel here. Now, how was today compared to the other meets for the year?
Oh, today was fun. I mean, for me, it's all fun.
Yes?
For a lot of other people, I understand it's politics.
Yeah.
You know, I just moved back to Jamaica and taking up racing. It's easier to get in racing here than in the United States.
Okay.
And it's always, you know, family track, so...
Right.
Good to come on.
This year was the first year racing in Jamaica?
Second.
Oh, second?
Yeah, second.
Oh, cool. Well,
so,
what
it was
is...
a fun day, really fun.
Trust me.
Really fun.
Trust me. What is in the pipeline for 2025?
Well, this car, you know, last time I said it was a barnyard find, so it's always been improving, every race meet improving.
Yes.
It came from undrivable to now to first place today.
And I must add that the car was impressively reliable.
Yeah, very reliable today.
Yeah.
Fuel tech and, you know, updated to 2024, so no distributor, no.
Nice.
Good suspension and everything. So it's just for 2025, just to fine-tune the suspension. You know, it's just me if I need to choose to dominate my class or move up, I need more power.
And for those who don't know, they're probably watching, which class it is that you're...
IP2 and MP2.
Mad.
So I'm competitive in IP2.
Okay. Well, we're definitely looking forward to bigger and better things for 2025.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
One love, Daniel. Yeah, man, we chat. Cool.
Take a video of the engine bay.
Mad.
They call it B Serious, you know, the BK killer.
That is it. I caught you as you were heading out, but you know you have to give a little update on how the weekend went.
No, of course. But, you know, we came into this weekend a little rough. Yesterday, the car was giving us issues between brake issues, oil pressure issues, vibrations within the chassis, drive shaft leakage. So, at the end of the day, yesterday, we got 2 good laps in and she was ready to go. This morning, during qualifying, we were having battery voltage issues. So yesterday, the vibration turned out to be a wobble in the drive shaft pulley for the alternator. So we're assuming that something within the alternator itself may have broken, because today we just could not keep battery voltage. So in the first race, we're leading, but then we lost power. So we came in for a second place with just keeping the car, you know, at a minimum pace, bringing down the temperature so that the battery wasn't working as hard. It was shutting off during the race. So we had a tough time today, but we secured a second place, so we're happy with that. The second race, unfortunately, we couldn't finish mainly because, again, we lost battery, so we had no power steering, and we upgraded the front to 245, so they were absolutely not turning. So for safety reasons, we retired the race.
Definitely.
But we were happy to announce that we won the championship this year, and it's our first MP4 championship.
Yeah.
So that is great news for the team and all the hard work that they did this year, so we're super happy with that.
No, definitely. Congratulations. I mean, what better way to end the year?
No, of course. And you know, it's been a tough year for everyone, from the hurricane damaging the track and everything happening. The team put in a lot of work for this weekend, so of course couldn't do without them and our sponsors.
Yes.
And one thing that people didn't realize is that we've won MP1, MP2, MP3, and MP4 championship all with the same car.
Wow.
All with the same car, so we've said that and we're super happy and stoked about it because that was our goal.
That's definitely growth, because you know, the car keep advancing each year. So what next? I mean, what's for 2025?
My dad just asked me the same thing, but we have a lot in store. Tomorrow I'm actually heading to Italy for some new training, and 2025 might have some big things coming, so look out for that. Keep us in the loop. We will, of course, and always big up 876 Street.
Always. Much love, Sarah.
All right,
take care.
You too.
Before we talk about the season, how was today for you?
Today was the best the car has ever run in a long time. So before, I was struggling with traction issues for the past year, maybe 2 years. I was running IP class and the tires were limited to 100 tread wear, and the rim width was also limited because of the rules.
Okay.
So I mean, my car has a good amount of power, but I was limited to run a 9-inch wheel, was it? 9-inch wheel.
Okay.
So basically I could only run a 245 on the back.
Okay.
So within like 2 or 3, I would go good for 2 or 3 laps, and then the tires would just overheat.
And you start, you know.
Everybody start past me. It was very frustrating.
Yeah. So I guess your best time would have been today.
Most fun time, yeah.
Yeah?
I've done faster times way back before I had kids. But I hope to get back there.
Got you. Well, what does 2025 look like for you?
2025 definitely going to be here. The bug bite me back. I love how the car performed today. We did a simple wheel setup change and the car grip up. I had to be relearning the lines because normally I would have to compensate knowing that the car was going to step out, and I had to correct them, so now I could drive the car. So chassis work, engine work, whatever it is, we're going to the drawing board for next year for sure. We already started talking to the team.
Yes.
So definitely doing something next year. MP4, not going back to iPhone.
All right. Kevin,
thank you.
One love, bless up.
Respect.
Yeah, man, every time. We are here with Mr. Raymond Moodie, driver of this BMW. A lot of you may see it on track and wondering, is which young man, you know, a deal with the track, so? Well, right, see him here, you're looking at him, right? How was today?
Today was great. I had a lot of fun.
As usual.
And that is what I am here for.
Yes. It
was a little bittersweet because we had an incident, Vijay.
Yeah.
Other than that, I think it was a good turnout for an off.
A new date.
Yes, an off date for us.
Definitely.
Definitely. So we had a good time, I think.
Definitely.
And the racing was good.
So we're seeing you in 2025.
If life's fair.
Alright, so definitely.
Yeah, man.
Well, alright, we're looking for full grid in 2025 and more competition and more, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
That makes the more fun.
That is it.
Yes.
Alright, Raymond.
Alright.
Much love, respect.
Yeah, man, you too.
Cool.
You know, I have to big up my sponsors. These guys are right, you know.
Yes.
I have to big up Chris Moore White at Auto Source for all the help.
Yes.
And Vijay Bowla at Bowla's Garage. Those are the people that have helped me. And Chris Bowla, who tutored me going around this track when I started back.
Definitely.
Yes. Can't leave out, Yes, and my wife, who has been beside me the entire time. Without her, there would be no racing.
Yeah, all right. We know that go.
Absolutely. Last but by no means least.
There you go. All right. Well, as I said, we look forward to seeing you in 2025.
Absolutely.
All right, then, Raymond.
All right,
big
cool.
up. All right. How was the weekend for you?
You know, catch on the weekend been tough. We got a little more, did some adjustments to the car, and the car's been revving out better and been running better. So coming into qualifying, actually did a 32.6, which was one of the fastest times I've done. That put me on pole in IP2, which was what we wanted. So I was looking forward to all of the races for the day, but unfortunately in the first race, the shifter cable bent, went with us, so I couldn't find any gears. So that happened in the first race. Second race, the crash with Vijay and John, and they had a restart. The restart, and I was looking forward to the battle with John and Vijay, and then the restart without them. And then I was going to pass Chok in the EKE, in the EF, in the EF Civic. I was going to pass him on the inside, and then I was over ambitious and ran off. Like the brakes, I didn't like the feed of the brakes before, so I should have known that it was not going to happen, but I still tried nonetheless. But we learned from those experiences.
True.
And then the last race I came first. Last race, sliced through the field nicely. It's just a disappointment because it should have been 3 wins instead of 1, but it is what it is.
It is what it is.
But I actually enjoyed the last race. The car is running better, and that's the good thing about it going into next year. So just like to big up my sponsors, Rim Genie, SKM Storage Solutions, Auto Source, Extreme Performance. Big up my dad, Sheldon. Without him, this would even have been possible. So looking forward to next year, and thanks for watching.
Big up. A lot of people see the cars on track and they don't know who's driving. So I'm just trying to go around and catch what I can catch so people can put the faces to the cars. Now, how was today for you, Kathryn?
First of all, as I say, big up God. Thank God. I mean, Kedron, we saw what happened with Vijay.
Yes.
And there were some other little things that happened today, some small stuff, and God definitely had us in his hands.
A lot of thrills and spills.
A lot of thrills and spills. Thank God Vijay is okay.
Yes.
Today was good. I want to say first of all, big up to the JRDC. Man like Swiftly and Kevin and yourself and Bolt and everybody who has really tried to pull together a meet so that we can close out the year strong. It was a good meet. We have a lot of driver turnouts.
Definitely.
The races were exciting, for sure. Even though I'm going to unofficially call Super Street a Bima Cup that I was invited to because Vijay and Raymond really gave me a run for my money. They're so fast that they broke out and I couldn't.
Lord.
At first I was like, boy, me against the Bimas, but they're very good sportsmen. Unfortunately, they didn't get to finish. Else I would have beat them because they broke out. Good event. I'm excited to see what will happen for 2025 for sure.
I mean, what's in the making for 2025? Any upgrades? Any major plans?
You might say a different car.
All right. That's what I'm talking about.
You might say a different car.
All right. Well, all the best, and keep us in the loop so we can know what's going on.
Absolutely. Big up 876 every time.
Every time. Big up.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.
They hate when you elevate. They stacking up losses, I'm handing them out.